Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve buffering on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve buffering on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook app. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.